Hey everyone, it's Muguzi. Think you know your medical facts? We're about to put your knowledge to the test with 10 rapid-fire medical trivia questions. Don't worry, we'll have some helpful hints along the way, and remember, no cheating. Pause the video if you need a little extra time to think. Welcome to our medical trivia challenge. You'll have a few seconds to guess each answer. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a fundamental question. What is the normal resting heart rate for an adult? Now, we're talking about a healthy adult at rest, not someone who just crushed a workout. Think back to those doctor's appointments. Remember that chart they used to track your vitals? The answer is 60 to 100 beats per minute. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? Of course, factors like fitness level, age, and overall health can cause some variation, but that's a good range to keep in mind. Fun fact, athletes often have lower resting heart rates because their hearts are more efficient. Pretty cool, right? Next up, let's talk blood types. This is crucial stuff, especially in emergencies. So, tell me, what is the universal blood donor type? This blood type is like the superhero of the blood bank, always there to save the day. The answer is O negative. You got it. O negative blood lacks the A and B antigens, which means it can be given to people with any blood type, especially in critical situations when there's no time to determine compatibility. It's literally a lifesaver. Time for a bit of anatomy. This one might surprise you. What is the largest organ in the human body? And no, it's not your stomach, even after a big meal. Think bigger, much bigger. It's your skin. That's right, the skin is our largest and fastest growing organ, constantly regenerating and protecting us from the elements. It helps regulate our body temperature, acts as a barrier against infection, and even helps us synthesize vitamin D from sunlight. Pretty impressive, huh? Chapter 4, Decoding the BMI. Let's shift gears to a term we hear a lot, especially when it comes to health and wellness. What does BMI stand for? It's used to assess body composition and potential health risks. The answer is body mass index. BMI is a calculation based on your height and weight, giving you a number that indicates if you're within a healthy weight range. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is generally considered normal, but remember, it's just one factor among many when assessing overall health. Chapter 5, the Clotting Vitamin. Now, for a question about essential nutrients, which vitamin is crucial for blood clotting? This vitamin plays a vital role in ensuring our blood can clot properly to prevent excessive bleeding. The answer is vitamin K. This vitamin is found in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, and it's essential for producing clotting factors that help stop bleeding. So if you're looking for another reason to eat your greens, remember the power of vitamin K. Chapter 6, the silent threat. Let's talk about a common health concern, often called the silent killer because it doesn't always have obvious symptoms. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? This condition affects millions and can lead to serious health problems if left unmanaged. The answer is hypertension. Hypertension occurs when the force of your blood against your artery walls is consistently too high, putting extra strain on your heart and blood vessels. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle and regular checkups are key to preventing and managing hypertension. Chapter 7, Counting Bones. Time for a skeletal challenge. How many bones are in the adult human body? Think about the framework that supports your entire body from your head to your toes. It's a complex and fascinating structure. The answer is 206 bones. That's right, the adult human skeleton is made up of 206 bones, all working together to provide support, protect our organs, and enable movement. Interestingly, babies are born with around 300 bones, but many of these fuse together as they grow. Chapter 8, the Sugar Regulator. Let's delve into the world of hormones. Which organ in the body is responsible for producing insulin? This hormone plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. The answer is the pancreas. This often overlooked organ is a workhorse, producing insulin to help our cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream for energy. When the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin, or the body doesn't use insulin effectively, it can lead to diabetes. Chapter 9, the Balancing Act. Think about all the incredible things your body does effortlessly, like maintaining balance. Which part of the brain is the master coordinator of balance and coordination? The answer is the cerebellum. Located at the back of the brain, the cerebellum is responsible for fine-tuning our movements, coordinating muscle activity, and ensuring we can stand upright and move gracefully. It's like the conductor of our body's orchestra of movement. Chapter 10. The heart's emergency. For our final question, let's address a serious cardiac event. What is the medical term for a heart attack? This occurs when blood flow to the heart muscle is blocked, leading to potentially life-threatening consequences. The answer is myocardial infarction. A heart attack is a serious medical emergency that requires immediate attention. Symptoms can include chest pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, and nausea. Knowing the signs and acting quickly can be life-saving. Medical Masterminds, that's the end of our medical trivia challenge. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. How many did you get right? Were there any questions that surprised you? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, this was just for fun, and it's always a good idea to consult with healthcare professionals for any health concerns or questions. Stay curious, stay informed, and take care of yourselves.